Hey guys, this is Loretta with Scentsy. I wanted to show you one of our June specials. We have 4 really good ones, and I'm doing the little garden. And it's one of my favorites. It costs $40, but you get 5 free bars of wax, and that's $33. Free. So anyway. Comes with its little warming tray. Now this one is, well, I'll get in that in a minute. Warming tray, 1 flower, two flowers, get my hands back there, and the rubber. And 3 flowers. Comes with 3 flowers. And let's not forget my bag of rocks. Comes with a bag of gravelly like rocks. Alright, now we're going to get the warmer out. Now I got the little one because I have small spaces. Now this doesn't have a light on it. This is an element warmer, not a fan, it's an element warmer. And this is your element right here. This is where you're going to set your cup with your wax in it. Alright, and this little dish is where we're going to put the flowers and the rocks, because you get to decorate it any way you want. And I'm already going to get this bad boy plugged up just to show you. Alright, let's put our rocks in. And I got my rocks all in there. Oops, one escaped me. Alright. There's 1 planter. There's 2 plants. There's 3 plants. There's the warmer. Let's see how that looks. And like I said, I have small spaces, so I really like this one. I got this one, like I said, for $40. And 5 free bars, and I'm fixing to show you my bars. I got cocoa for coconuts. It smells so good. And then I've got tangerine creamsicle. Tangerine creamsicle. That smells just like. Do y'all remember those bars? Creamsicle bars we used to get when we were smaller. Okay, this is Pina Colada Cha-Cha. I can smell the coconut and the pineapple in that. That smells good. Alright, then we got coconut lemongrass. Now, I do not know, but I was told that if you burn this outside, like if you're sitting at a table drinking your coffee, that it helps get the bugs away. Keep the mosquitoes away. Yeah, it definitely smells like lemon. As you can tell, I've got one outside drowning. Alright, and then I've got whipped vanilla lavender. Smells so good. So anyway, I wanted to turn this on to show you. The only light you're going to have is your little off and on light. That's it. There's my little warmer. And I like this because, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, you can take these little flowers out and you can put whatever you want in there. That's small. You can decorate it for any holiday you want. So I really like that idea. So anyway, I got $73 worth of stuff for $40. Because this is $40 by itself. And these were $33. But I got them free. So anyway, like I say, guys, this will end in June. And there are 4 other ones. Just happens to be the one I chose. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.